Hello viewers. Stephen here and I welcome you to this channel where we talk about investing, business and finance. I recently came across statistics that interviewed a variety of individuals pursuing different careers. Amongst them were people working at bars, restaurants, and nightclubs. Almost every one of them had a university degree, yet they all ended up working odd jobs that did not relate to what they studied in school. I believe the data collected is a representation of the majority. Most people pursue courses that are either too competitive or have a limited market demand, meaning you might study a course that already is overwhelmed with qualified individuals and as a result end up being employed in a different field. If we critically think about it, careers with high demand are those that offer both job opportunities and a platform to create your jobs in the same field. After all, if a career offers high-paying jobs but only has room to accommodate about 10% of the total number of graduates, we wouldn't consider it a high-demand career. Stay tuned as we go through a list of the most profitable and in-demand careers to pursue. But before we do us a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us make more content like this and with the YouTube algorithm. Done? Awesome. Now let's continue. Number 1. Medical science. The medical profession ranks amongst the highest in-demand careers despite being a difficult course to study, and has several stringent requirements. It typically receives a balance of demand and supply in the job market. The COVID-19 outbreak has brought light to the importance of healthcare, as we've all seen countries have been forced to invest a great deal in efforts to better their healthcare system, aiming to secure its citizens. This has created more job opportunities for individuals pursuing a medical science career. The medical field in the next decade will be even more growth as the population keeps growing steadily day in day out. Health science and healthcare is a promising career choice as medical technology and average life expectancy keeps increasing. Statistics show that within the next leap year the health department expects a 20% growth and substantial salary increment. A medical career has a wide variety of professions, including nurses, medical doctors, biomedical engineers, gynecologists, neurologists, among others. Pharmacy graduates also find opportunities in academics. The pharmaceutical industry and regulatory bodies professionals like the surgical technologists are amongst the top paid in the field, earning close to $50,000 in salary. It might look like a tedious type of work to get involved with, but it sure pays off well. Number 2. Environmental science and engineering. Environmental engineering aims at connecting an individual's knowledge of the environment to modern building materials and construction methods. This is meant to direct the environmental engineer into a field where they will be able to give insight on the building of treatment facilities, preparation of an environmental impact assessment report, and help in curbing air pollution from certain points. One of the most important global trends today is the issue of climate change and its effect on the global economy in the future. The environmental science and engineering field is tasked with heavy-duty work. They are responsible for enlightening the general population on issues of climate and environmental changes and their impact. Government and private institutions are investing more in green technologies and other environmentally friendly solutions. It is sensible to expect a huge expansion on related jobs and opportunities up for grabs. Number 3. Computer science. Computer science is a field that focuses on the study of computers and computational systems. Unlike electrical and computer engineers, computer scientists focus mainly on software and software systems, which include their theory, design, development, and application, among others. Principal areas of study within computer science include artificial intelligence, computer systems and network security, database systems, human-computer interaction, vision and graphics, numerical analysis, programming languages, software engineering, bioinformatics, and theory of computing. All computer science degrees are not rated equally. They tend to vary depending on the value of your degree and the knowledge that you receive. Computer science affects almost virtually every industry and our personal lives. A quality computer science degree will remain relevant not only to its holder but also to the general population, as currently we are experiencing a digital wave migration. Getting rid of analog technology directly has a positive outcome on our economy and our lives. Among demanding degrees are those specializing in managing information systems, among others, due to the large data boom. If you have basic knowledge in the field, you don't have to wait for a job, as you can apply a few entrepreneurial skills and earn from services and products you're capable of offering. Number 4. Information technology. It is amongst the top-rated career ventures of our time, and is considered the fastest-growing career. The massive pay commends this highly intellectual field. Most of the applications we use frequently, such as wireless money transfers and others, are all products of information technology. In addition to the demands for professionals in the business market, gurus can transform their knowledge and skills into an entrepreneurship. Venture cyber security is among the most important fields in this sector. Many businesses set up to operate on the comfort of it develop software and design which are prone to hackers and fraudsters. Moreover, financial, medical, and business confidentiality have been a major issue, and the few who are trained on cyber security will remain relevant for years to come, since without them all of our businesses will be vulnerable to theft among other malicious activities. A degree in information technology. Security is considered a high-demand venture and will secure high wages amounting to about $80,000. Other fields in this sector include software engineering, data analyst, and system engineers. Number 5. Business administration. Business administration is better recognized as business management. This career includes all aspects of supervising and overseeing business operations. It also includes aspects such as accounting, sales, data analysis, design development, project management, among others. Entrepreneurs are not the ideal business administrators. Business administrators play a major role in growing and developing a new or even old business. They are tasked with the responsibility of managing the available resources and legal affairs of an organization. An entrepreneur may come up with a perfect idea to start up a business, but it will be close to impossible to grow without the incitement of a business administrator. The longevity and prosperity of the business remain at risk. Graduates in this field with quality education are equipped to fit into multiple positions in the business. Top ventures include analysts, business developers, and CEOs to excel appropriately in the business world. It is important that you further your studies to a master's in business administration. Business administration is considered a flexible career to venture into, as it doesn't require one to physically step into class, as you can learn online and work 2 or 3 jobs. Number 6. Applied mathematics. Applied mathematics is best described as the application of mathematical formulas by different fields such as physics, microbiology, business and entrepreneurship, computer science, among others. The term applied mathematics also can be described as the professional specialty in which mathematicians work on practical problems by formulating and studying mathematical models. Mathematics plays a major role in the line of industrial organization, which in turn brings out the best in companies. A career in applied mathematics entails more than just crunching numbers and adding and subtracting. It generally entails being able to apply mathematics to solve real-life challenges. Problems we face include underground pollution, traffic jams, inflation, unemployment and climate change, which can be solved through applied mathematics to bring about a positive outcome. The rigorous program applies to disciplines such as engineering and other sciences. Applied mathematics is a necessity in almost every field that's considered a normal paying job, but that's not true. An individual endorsed into applied mathematics programs makes up to 6-digit salary per month. There are numerous ways applied mathematics can be incorporated, as it can boast specializations in different fields such as computer programmers, computer system analysts, economists, financial analysts, risk analysts, among other fields. New application sectors are being unearthed, while the existing techniques are being put to better use in emerging fields. Graduates in this field are typically employed in scientific engineering, business, or government environments. A degree graduate with a bachelor's in science and applied mathematics secures an annual salary of $78,000. Number 7. Economics. Economics is a form of social science that focuses on factors of production and distribution of goods and services. It further investigates how individuals, business, institutions, governments, and nations make choices on how to allocate resources. Economics focuses on the decisions made by human beings seeking the most optimal level of utility. The foundation of economics is the studies of labor and trade, since there are many applications of human labor and many variations of how to acquire resources. It's the task of economics to determine which methods yield the best results. An economics degree will boost your relevance in many fields, regardless of the industry you work in. There is high demand for personnel in this line of career throughout the global labor market, since economics is vital in any business setup. Economics is diverse as their analytical and problem-solving skills are relevant in numerous businesses and organizations. The median annual wage earned by economists all around the globe rates to about $105,000. Some of the job openings you can get regarding this career include economist, data analyst, financial planner, accountant, economic researcher, financial consultant, investment analyst, among others. A professional in the field is involved in research and data collection, analyzing collected data, and other crucial tasks. Just from the vast variety of ventures one can dive into having studied economics, it is enough of how in demand this job is. Possible employers include private and public banks, government entities, insurance companies, large multinational companies, and local authorities. Number 8. Engineering degrees. Engineering is the use of scientific principles and knowledge to design and develop simple and complex machine structures and other items, which includes road structures, automobiles, and buildings. The discipline of engineering encompasses a broad range of more specialized fields, each with a more specific emphasis on a particular aspect of applications of mathematics, applied science, and other types of application. Engineering careers are not carried with the same weight, as some are more demanding than others. Among them we have chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering. Fields such as aeronautical engineering and petroleum engineering are among the highest paying in this field. Engineers are generally known to develop critical thinking and innovation that equip them to adapt to the real world. It's the fundamental skill set of an engineer to understand how machines and other things work, a skill that makes them stand out in fields outside their domain. Engineering is considered highly hands-on and a very indulging career to take on, though you will have to invest a lot of your time with your head buried in the books. Its reward is quite appealing. Number 9. Artificial intelligence and robotics. Artificial intelligence and robotics are powerful combinations for automating tasks inside and outside the factory setting. In recent years, AI has become increasingly common in robotic solutions, introducing flexibility and learning capabilities in previously rigid applications. The ever-growing role of advanced technology in our day-to-day lives highlights the importance of specialized engineers. Though artificial intelligence is slowly becoming a norm in consumer technology, the potential application of artificial intelligence is limitless. AI has already been adopted in finance and banking, business, defense and security, transport, and many other fields. Studying this course opens up opportunities in the global labor field, with lucrative wages ranging from $91,000 annually. Many universities today offer specialized degrees in artificial intelligence. The same is applicable for robotics engineering, another area of study that's become mainstream. Many of the jobs handled by humans will soon be assigned to robots. This secures many with a career choice to consider undertaking to aim for a lasting career. This summarizes our list of most profitable and in-demand careers one can pursue. Though the list is limitless, you must do detailed research before diving into a career you know nothing about. Times are changing and everyone is struggling to remain relevant and earn something. At the end of the day, the above career suggestions guarantee the utmost outcome and reward. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you found value, and if you're new to the channel, welcome and subscribe for more content like this. With that said, have a great day and I'll see you all in the next one.